Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering documents. Aadhaar, address proof photos. Once ready, open the Telangana transport portal and log into your TS Parivahan account. Make sure your Aadhaar is linked for eKYC. Select new driving license, then choose vehicle class and learner or permanent option. Begin the application form, entering accurate personal details and address as per Aadhaar. Any mismatch will delay processing. After filling basic fields, upload scanned documents and proceed to the payment step for the application fee. Once you pay, you must book a test slot at a convenient RTO. Pick date and time carefully because slots fill fast. If applying from learner stage, upload your learner license and Form 1A where requested. For direct permanent, attach Form 4/5 as applicable. You will receive an application number and receipt. Save these and print the payment confirmation. Make sure vehicle class selected matches the test you will take, and practice the driving maneuvers required so you pass on the first attempt. You arrive on test day with originals and the receipt. Arrive 30 minutes early to avoid stress. Once you pass the driving exam and eye test, the RTO will process your license, and the office will either print immediately or dispatch it by post. Make sure your address is correct. If your application is rejected, check the rejection reason in the portal, correct the document or data, and resubmit promptly. If postal delays occur, use your application number to track status and contact the RTO.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.